Batteries are connected in series when the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the negative terminal of the next battery. On the other hand, batteries are connected in parallel when all the positive terminals of all the batteries are connected together and all the negative terminals of all the batteries are connected together. Batteries can also be connected in series parallel. When batteries are in series, their voltages and their amperage hour capacities remain the same.
When batteries are in parallel, their amperage hour capacities and their voltages remain the same.
When batteries are connected in series parallel, both their voltages and their amperage hour capacities add